Noticing you really like me. Can't control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling when I'm with.
Well, hello guys. My name is Miss Beauty Queen and welcome to my first YouTube video. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and prime our face for our foundation so that it can last all day long, okay guys? I went in with my Rimmil London Stay Matte mattifying primer, and that is my favorite at the moment. First things first, before we get focused on the foundation and covering up our acne scars, we're going to go in and do our brows. Ladies, take your time to do your brows, okay? Your brows will pull your whole entire makeup look together, okay? It's not a race. Just take your time, draw the outline of your brows, okay? And then just, fill it in and do little hair-like strokes and things like that. And then we're just going to take our concealer and we're going to clean up our brows in the end. And you'll see how I do that as well. I've been getting tons and tons of requests on showing you guys how to do my brows via like Facebook and things like that. And so I decided to go ahead and show you guys how I do this, okay? So like I said, at this moment I'm cleaning it up with the concealer. I use the LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. That is my favorite color for concealer at the moment. And I'm just going to go ahead and take my time to clean up my brows and make sure that my point is very sharp, okay? Alright, so now that our brows are done, it is foundation time. Obviously, as you can see, I have a lot of acne scarring, okay? Full coverage foundation to me is very, very important for my everyday life, okay? I am going in with my Estee Lauder Foundation. This foundation is absolutely amazing. I am in the color Sandalwood. And this foundation is very full coverage. It's a medium to full coverage and it claims to last up to 12 hours. Now ladies, I can tell you guys that I have worn this foundation for 15 to 16 hours due to me being extremely busy. And girl, it lasted all day long. And honestly, I didn't even need to take it off, okay? I could have blotted and went another 5 hours. This foundation is everything if you are trying to cover up acne spots, or even if your face isn't filled with acne marks or anything like that and you just want your makeup to last all day long. This is the foundation for you. And guys, I just wanted to point out, the key to getting full coverage foundation look is to the stippling motion, okay? Get you a nice foundation brush. This is the Milani brush, and then I'm also going to use the Tarte foundation brush as well, and it blends it out very, very well. But you pat the makeup on your face to get full coverage, okay? If you swipe, it will not be full coverage, it will be sheer. So as I just showed you guys, I'm going in with my MaybeLine Age Rewind concealer, and this is in the color Tan. And I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my face. Okay, so now that we're done highlighting, I'm going to go in with my Real Technique sponge and blend everything out. And now that everything is blended out, I'm going to take my Sacha buttercup powder and I'm going to go ahead and set all of my highlighted areas on my face. Everywhere that I had put concealer, I'm going to go ahead and set with the Sacha buttercup powder. And then I'm going to take a powder brush, and then I'm just going to set the rest of my face with my L'Oreal True Match pressed powder. So the blush is done, and now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance pressed powder, and I'm going to go ahead and contour my face. I like to contour my cheekbone area, I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm going to pop a little bit on my forehead because my forehead is huge and I want to make it look a little bit smaller. Alright, so now it's time to highlight. I love, love, love highlight. It's my favorite part of the whole makeup process. Um, Once you highlight, in my opinion, it just brings the whole entire look together. And girl, I love a good highlight, okay? This lighting that I have is not doing this highlight justice. Whenever I put on this highlight and I'm in natural light, oh my gosh, my face looks so glowy and so nice, and it's just beautiful. I just love to highlight. It's easily, like, you can easily get carried away highlighting because it's so beautiful. And now my face is done. I've popped my lashes on, girl, and I'm about to put my wig on. And this is the wig Dandy by Freetress Equal, and I'm gonna have a review on that coming soon. I really love this wig. The wig originally came longer, but I have cut it because it got a little tangled on the ends. But this wig is freaking beautiful, okay? So I'm gonna put this on, brush it out, and then I'm gonna tack my edges down with the Gots to Be Glued, and we will be done. And look at my after, y'all. The transformation is real. Just because you have acne marks and scars on your face does not mean that you cannot be beautiful and that you cannot put makeup on and be glamorous, honey. Because baby, I am glamorous every single day, and I love myself with my acne scars and all, okay? So we got this wig together. I want you to check out this picture that I'm going to put at the end. And it's a natural light picture so that you guys can see how my makeup turned out in like actual sunlight, okay? So yeah, so this is the end of my first video. I really appreciate you guys watching me. Please like, share, comment, and please subscribe. Thanks, and have a blessed day.